Well, if you have a question or comment, go to lawcall.com/Mobile to email us. We do have a caller on the line. It is Bob from Mobile. Bob, welcome to Law Call. What's your question for Bill tonight?
Hey, Bob.
Hey, how you doing, Bill?
Hey, man.
Hey, Bill. I was trying to find out if car insurance is the policy limits or the minimum are so low.
Right.
Don't you run into medical costs being 10 times the amount of what the policy on the deck page is? And how do you handle that when somebody's injuries are in the hundreds of thousands of dollars and the other side that's at fault only has $25,000 in liability insurance?
Bob, that's a great question, and absolutely, we run into it all the time. Where, unfortunately, I had a case this past week where the person that injured my client only had $25,000 in coverage. My client did not have any uninsured motorist coverage. The medical bills were $75,000, and they had no medical insurance. And so you do the math. They wound up without getting anything in their pocket. Now, we can get their medical bills taken care of usually, and where they're not going to owe anything, but they're not going to have anything to show for it as far as pain and suffering, mental anguish. You see all these commercials and these ads with these lawyers and people jumping up and down and going, so-and-so got me $1.5 million, or they got, me $600,000. Well, sure. I mean, every lawyer, I've had cases like this or like that. But number one, keep in mind, those commercials you're watching, those are actors or actresses. That is not the actual person that lawyer got that case for. Number two, if you got $1.5 million for somebody, that person is typically either dead, blind, or paralyzed. It's not, this is not something that I would wish on anyone. We have people all the time going, well, so-and-so, I saw this commercial and they got them $600,000 for a broken ankle. No, well, no, that did not happen. You see a lot of misleading ads, unfortunately, from a lot of law firms, not only in Mobile, but all over the country. And it gets people thinking that this is something, that it's worthwhile and something that's fun to go through and I'm going to get a bunch of money. No, it's not. You do not want to have a case that's worth a lot of money, because it means that you're going to have injuries and problems for the rest of your life. And so it's just, again, and it's really, I'm disappointed with a lot of the ads that you see. You see a lot of these misleading ads that make it almost sound like it's a fun thing to do. Hey, so-and-so got me so-and-so. Well, no, you're an actor, you're an actress. That did not happen. And yes, that law firm probably got someone $1 million, but again, that person is not going to be able to appear on TV because the injuries are so bad.